Harbor Breeze ceiling fan. Leaf blade smells like it is burning. An electrical odor. Do I need a new fan or capacitor?
Have you replaced the ceiling fan or switch before? If so, how long ago?
Replaced fan 15 years ago. Swith is powered by wall AC switch. If switch is on, I can use chain.
How long has this been going on with your Harbor Breeze ceiling fan? What have you tried so far?
Just a few days. I'm a fireman. When it starts up, it sounds like it is sparking. None visible. Then electrical odor.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Do they make replacement capacitor or like fan?
I cannot stand by the computer and wait for a reply, nor am I asking you to. Since I am not there, I will need your help with information, this for a more complete picture and trying to diagnose and resolve your issue. I've reviewed what you have given me so far. This is an initial assessment, and we can start here. You can try replacing the capacitor. It would look like this. Click here, but it sounds like the motor went south and is a fire hazard. You may want to replace the fan if by some reason a resolution to the problem just isn't possible. I will do my best to supply you with any remaining options. From what other resources I can find, you might feel the need to choose a bad service rating. I ask that you stop and consider replying back to me with any of your concerns, more times than not. With email, things can be lost in translation. I want to be sure I answered your questions correctly. Please let me know. Thanks. Eddie. Note, you may get a standard phone request. You can accept if it is more comfortable for you or ignore it. I have nothing to do with billing. Customer service would accommodate you on that. Thank you. If you do need more assistance, please use the reply box and let me know.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.